Hey, what's up? Chris here. Today we're going to be learning how to draw cat nose whiskers. Easy enough. Let's see. All right, we're going to start by drawing a circle. And we're going to give the ears. And we're going to place the nose right here. Line there. Line there. And there's the mouth. Give some eyes so the cat can see what I'm about to do. Now the whiskers, you basically just want to a line out, a line out, a line out. Same thing on the other side. 3 lines out, a couple of holes, and that's about it. There you have it. I'm Chris, and this is how you draw cat nose whiskers.